AGV SportModular carbon pull tab repair. Just a touch story. I'll hit the story in every one of my videos, but I own two of these. I loved them up until the pull tab snapped off. Learned shortly after that AGV does not support repair to these very expensive helmets. With that said, $860, actually more, because I actually spent money and redid all the foam inside of it, like not even 3 months ago, and then the pull tab broke. So, I mean, I got about $1,000 invested in this helmet when this thing went, and then there's no repair kit. So they don't offer spares, replacements. Even if they just did the whole thing, I would have bought the whole front chin. They do not offer it, so I do not recommend this. But however, I did a repair. I got other videos. You look at the other videos. This is just a follow-up. Basically, I put 2 screws through the bottom of the broken piece, laid them inside the track, inside the other pieces that it broke from. And I used these pieces of plastic to shield the track from filling in with and getting stuck. So those are going to come out as soon as it dries up enough to pull them out. Right now it's still very, very tacky. It's 4 to 6 hours for cure time, and we're only about hour 1. So it's still really, really tacky. But yeah, that's it. Stay tuned for a follow-up. This is either going to turn into a piece of junk, or I'll fix it and get another 30,000 miles out of it.